In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. So first of all, launch open Facebook application. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. If you want to turn on the professional mode, what you have to do is go to the profile interface. For that, tap on the profile icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to access your profile over here. If you look at the top right corner, you'll be able to see three dots over here. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the profile settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Over here at second last, you'll be able to find this option for turn on professional mode. So what you have to do is tap on this option, turn on professional mode, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to turn on the professional mode. If you do that, anyone will be able to follow you. You'll be able to get paid for your content and you'll be able to see the content insights. So tap on this option, turn on, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be welcome to the professional mode. What you have to do is tap on this option next, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to choose your default audience. Simply tap on the option of your choice and tap on the option next. You'll have to answer few more questions. Now you'll be able to see the audience settings. You can edit the settings if you want. If not, tap on this option, confirm. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see the monetization tools. You'll be able to see your eligibility over here. Tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you've unlocked new professional tools. Tap on the option next again. Now you'll be able to add the profile frame if you want. If not, tap on the option skip. Now you can see over here the professional mode has been enabled and you'll be able to start using the professional mode. So that is how you turn on professional mode on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.